So hi guys, this is the review of Artengo TR100. This is a tennis racket. This is a tennis racket for anybody who just want to start with tennis. I bought this from Decathlon. I think it was for £10 each. I bought two just to try out how this is, and this is a tennis racket who just want to start, who have never played tennis before and who just want to get into tennis. So I didn't want to buy an expensive racket because I haven't played tennis before, so I just wanted to know how it will be. So I just went for a cheaper option. I got this in Decathlon for £10 each, and I also bought three balls from the same company, Artengo. So there was like £30 for two rackets and three balls. That's enough to start with tennis, I think, because as I said before, I've never played tennis, so I just wanted to give it a go to tennis, so I went for the cheapest option available. This racket is I played for like half an hour now. This is a very good racket to start with. I also tried the expensive one in Decathlon, but that was a little bit heavier than this one, so I think the heavier one will hit the ball in your targeted direction, but this is a bit lighter, so if you want to hit a left side, it might go to the right side. But I think if you want to start with tennis, this should be all right. Lighter one will help you. You won't get tired easily. So if you want to give it a go to tennis, and if you want to buy a couple of tennis rackets that just want to start with tennis, Artengo TR100 should be a great choice for you.